In example 2, we want to determine our equivalent sources. In the circuit below, we have a 32 volt and a 14 volt voltage source connected in a series configuration. On the right hand side of our circuit, we have a 2 amp and 3.5 amp current source connected in a parallel configuration. Starting on our right hand side, we recognize that our two current sources are existing in parallel configuration and they are existing in the same direction. That is, we can express IS, our equivalent current source, as a summation of our 2 and 3.5 amp sources, such that its magnitude would be 5.5 amps, with the directionality of our current existing in the original direction of our two independent sources. Then we can proceed, recognizing that our voltage sources are in series, taking into account polarity. Starting at the bottom left-hand side and progressing upward, we first move into the negative terminal of our 32 volt source, and then into the positive terminal of our 14 volt source. Thus, we can express an equivalent V sub S as minus 32 plus 14, which is equal to minus 18. Or we'd enter the negative terminal of our equivalent voltage source, such that its magnitude would be 18 volts.